In a smartphone surface mount device, SMD resistors are used to limit current flow or reduce voltage levels in various circuits. They help regulate current and drop voltages, thereby controlling the behavior of the electronic components within the phone. Examples of SMD resistor functions in smartphones include limiting current to prevent damage, reducing voltage to keep components within safe operational ranges, and measuring current levels for power management purpose. SMD resistors are chosen based on their specifications, including resistance value, tolerance, and power rating, to meet the unique demands of smartphone circuits. What happens if a SMD resistor fails in a smartphone? If an SMD resistor fails in a smartphone, it can cause issues with the device's performance or functionality depending on the location and purpose of the failed resistor. Some potential consequences of a faulty SMD resistor include circuit instability. A failing resistor may result in unstable voltage levels or current flows, leading to erratic behavior in connected components. Malfunctions. Malfunctions in features like touchscreens, cameras, or wireless communications could occur due to incorrect resistor values. Overheating. A defective resistor may generate excessive heat, potentially causing thermal damage to nearby components. Short circuits. A broken resistor could create a direct pathway between 2 points in the circuit, resulting in a short circuit. Power loss. Defective resistors may increase energy consumption or decrease output power. To diagnose a faulty SMD resistor, a multimeter can be used to verify whether the resistor is open or shorted, replacing a faulty resistor with the correct value and tolerances is essential to restore proper functioning. What are the symptoms of a failed SMD resistor in a smartphone? Symptoms of a failed SMD resistor in a smartphone can include incorrect operation. Features like touchscreens, cameras, or wireless communications could malfunction due to an incorrect resistor. Value. Poor battery life. A defective resistor may increase energy consumption or decrease output power, leading to reduced battery life. Heat generation. A bad resistor may produce excessive heat, potentially damaging nearby components. Visual indicators. On some occasions, a visibly damaged resistor may appear discolored, melted, or misshapen. Multimeter tests. Using a multimeter, a failed resistor may exhibit an abnormal reading, either being completely open, no continuity, or having a significantly higher resistance value than expected. If a symptom suggests a possible issue with an SMD resistor, further diagnostic steps involving a multimeter can confirm the fault if necessary. The affected resistor must be replaced with a compatible component to restore normal smartphone functionality. How can I fix a failed SMD resistor in my smartphone? Fixing a failed SMD resistor in a smartphone is generally not recommended for non-professionals due to the complexity of the process and the risk of damaging other components. However, if you still wish to attempt this, follow these precautions. Identify the exact location and value of the failed resistor. Using a multimeter, carefully desolder the existing resistor, taking care not to damage surrounding components or traces. Obtain a replacement resistor with the appropriate value and tolerance. Ensure that the color coding matches the original resistor. Solder the new resistor in place carefully, avoiding bridges or shorts. Verify the installation with a multimeter to ensure the new resistor is properly installed and functioning correctly. Keep in mind that attempting to replace an SMD resistor yourself carries risks, including damaging other components, creating shorts, or introducing solder bridges. If you lack confidence in your abilities, consider seeking professional assistance instead.
Thank you for watching.